Well, good morning from Prestwick International Air Show, and car in position here on an absolutely stunning morning. You can see the blue sky up there, and what more could someone ask for? Cars, jets and sunshine. Living the dream. Beautiful American car there, and then scanning around here, lovely sunbeam at the back there. Lotus Esprit here. You see the back of the rally car there, white and yellow. And I scan around here. There's a lovely Mini at the back, and a plethora of cars. A monster of a highly powered. There's Intrepid Leader's wife, Sandra, and nice BMW as well. Porsche 944, I think. Lovely rally. Let's go to Mexico. David's Bulldog Pilgrim. Nice Volkswagen Caravanette. Fabulous Stealth. Morris Minor convertible. Beautiful Mustang of Arnold's. Pontiac there of Tom. And coming around here, look at this little beauty. This is, as it says on the sign there, Annie. A beautiful little car. So certainly a beautiful day ahead, with everything from balletic motorised gliders to screaming thunderous typhoon on Afterburner. So a lovely day in sunny air on the seaside.
Welcome to the Festival of Flight. Welcome to the Festival of Flight.
Welcome to the Festival of Flight.
Welcome to the Army Stand. Welcome to the Festival of Flight. Welcome to RAF at Festival of Flight.
Ayrshire Daily News, we're live at the Air Show, and we've got the Ayrshire Classic Car Club. What a fantastic day to show off all these beautiful vehicles, and we've picked out one which is particularly beautiful. Look at this bad boy here. Would you like to zoom in on that?
I would love to.
George, you're the owner of it?
Yep, I am, yep.
Okay, tell us a wee bit of history about it.
Well, it's a 1956 Chevy Bel Air, imported from the States about 6 years ago. I've had it for about 2 years now that I've owned it.
Any restoration work been done on it?
It was in the States, but 11 years ago there was like over $50,000 spent in the restoration, so I'm lucky that I've not had to do much to it. In fact, I've not done anything to it other than wipe it down. So.
Do you actually take it out and drive it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
I've driven it down to England for shows and all over Scotland.
You get lots of blades.
Sure do, yeah.
Sure do. She's absolutely beautiful.
Thank
Can
you.
we just have a wee look again, Mish? Have a wee look. Look at the inside bit here. Look at the steering wheel. Absolutely gorgeous. Listen, George, thank you very much.
No problem, thank you.
And much success to the Ayrshire Classic Car Club.
Yeah,
If
it's
you
a
don't
great
know,
wee club,
if you
yeah.
don't know about the club, go and find them on Facebook. We'll put the link as well, and give them a wee join and follow.
Bye.